Hello, in this video we're going to show you how to create kits via CSV so that way you can create multiple kits at the same time. You're going to start by going to My Account and CSV Management, and you're going to change the Select Item to Update to Kits, and you can download a Kits template from this page. After it downloads, you can open it in Excel. And from here, you'll see the information that you need to enter into the CSV. You'll need the SKU for the kit, the SKU for the components that will make up the kit, the quantity of components that will be in that kit, and then whether or not you want to set the kit as a build kit and which warehouse to assign the kit to. For this example, I'm going to set up a gift bag. The SKU that I have for that is gift-bag. I know I'm going to be adding a few components to it. The first component is going to be a dark chocolate bar. I'm also going to be adding a milk chocolate bar. And some salty pretzels. For this kit, I'm going to contain one of each component. This entire kit is not going to be a build kit, and it's going to be set up in my primary warehouse. I'm also going to set up a second kit at the same time. This is going to be a deluxe gift basket. I'm also going to have 3 components for it. It's going to be the same 3 components in my first kit. I'm just going to set up different quantities. So for this gift basket, I'm going to do 5 dark chocolate bars, 5 milk chocolate bars, and 10 salty pretzels. Just like my last kit, this is not going to be a build kit. And it's also going to be set up in my primary warehouse. Now that I've got the kit set up the way that I want, you can save the file. You'll want to save that file as a CSV. Once you have the CSV set up, you can go back to ShipHero. You can select the file to upload it. And then once you upload it, it will begin processing. It may just take a few minutes to process, but once it's set up, you should be able to go to your products page. I'm going to look for the gift basket. And I can see it's got 3 components. And I can see it's got 3 components set up for it. I can also go to my deluxe gift basket. And I can see it's got my 3 components of various quantity. And that's how you can set up kits via CSV, so that way you can do many kits at the same time.